Mr. Seagull.
In London.
Oh, that's what they're meant to say.
Oh yeah, check me man. Gonna try and get this baggage open now. Eh, bit of baggage. Bit of scrannage. Oh fuck that. Stinks of shit. Come on Nobby, what are you doing? Fucking doing? Fucking come on! Give you a fight, Nobby! Yeah, shut our fucking thought. Come on man. Hey, fucking cunt. Oh fuck. Yeah, you're fucking scared of me, not bad.
No way.
Fucking you looking at monkey boy. Fucking monkey boy, age. Great British Seagull. It's fucking huge. What are you fucking looking at, man? Yeah, fuck off. So that's what.